Wanna know how to sign into BeFunky just by using your Apple account? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to the official website of BeFunky. Once you're there, on the top right corner, there should be a sign in button. Click on it. Before continuing, make sure you are registered. If you are not, just simply click on this register here button. Now, since we are going with Apple, select Use Apple. Now just type in your credentials. And once you fill in the credentials, you should automatically be logged into BeFunky. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.